more what I think about you. If it's loving that you want, you should make me your girl, your girl. If it's something that you need, then baby, come and share my world, share my world. If it's something that you want, come and take a walk with me, with me. It's everything that you need, I got it right here, baby. Now it's obvious you need a friend to come hold you down, be that one to share your everything when no one's around. Baby, come tell me your secrets and tell me all your dreams, cause I can see you need someone to trust. You can
Bachele ba tete, bachele ba kweshe. Apela mina senkethile, mina kuwe sengiphelele. Bachele ba tete, bachele ba kweshe. Apela mina senkethile, mina kuwe sengiphelele. Atali wami nguwe, abambolo wami nguwe, asana sami nguwe, athemba lami nguwe.
Poster, they tryna test me. They tryna test me, bafuna mina ngidikile icona. Forever when I'm my love, my love. Veka malembe, bathi wena uspace, zahleba kuveka malembe. Alabo masaka bakuyuse.
Bachele ba tete, bachele ba kweshe. Aphela mina senkethile, mina kuwe sengiphelele. Bachele ba tete, bachele ba kweshe. Aphela mina senkethile, mina kuwe sengiphelele. Atali wami nguwe, abambolo wami nguwe, asana sami nguwe, athemba lami nguwe.
Poster, they tryna test me. They tryna test me, bafuna mina ngidikile icona. Forever when I'm my love, my love. Veka malembe, bathi wena uspace, zahleba kuveka malembe. Bathi wena unanesimi, kuveka malembe. Bathi wena uspace, zahleba kuveka malembe. Bathi wena unanesimi. Khululeka mama, inhliziyo yami usenali ekhaya. Okhululeka mama, one day bayokikiza ekhaya.
Ejali ngicela ungasabi, awumina ngifuna wena wethu mama. Enhlitweni yami phela wena unekhaya, uthando lethu khululeka ungawari. Ejala siye Dubai, bazothi.
Yes. What up? Bafethu siyabonga. We are here. Sisendaweni entsha. We about to release indaba ezisha. Siyazi ukuthi wherever la ukhona you are wondering yourself ukuthi ama-bodyguard afunani. Usisi is here to introduce herself. Azisho ukuthi ama-bodyguard nawo abobani. Yangithola kanjani? Siswami, hi, unjani siswami?
Hi, how are you? Ngiyaphila mina.
Uyaphila siswami. So siswami, I would like to know from you ukuthi kahle who are you and what do you do?
Okay, my name is Siphelele Shembe.
Okay.
I do modeling. Okay, these are just my finalists next to
Okay.
me. So I've been doing this here from starting of May.
Okay.
So far everything is going good. Yeah, I could say that. And modeling has always been my thing, and I'm just willing to take this further more with them, and they're willing with Nami give a part of Lenta Bayenzayo, and they're willing also to be me, I could say. Yeah, they
Okay.
look up to me a lot.
Okay, I do get that. Anyakuza siswami nani niyazwela bafethu usisi Siphesihle wakwaShembe is doing modeling bafethu. Did I say your word wrong?
Yes, definitely.
What did I say?
You said Siphelele, it's Siphelele, by the way.
Siphelele, you've heard for yourself, guys. Akafuni imix masala, cause modeling has to do with self-discipline ekugcineni vele. So siswami uhlala eDrizzy. Drizzy, it's a danger zone to some people. So modeling ne-danger racism kuhlangana kanjani?
Well, when I first came here, I was told, okay, fine, it's not a place where you could just do anything. But with the courage I have, like I'm determined to do whatever for them, especially when it comes to modeling, because you're not career lana a side like me. Like you'd never hear anyone at yazi this modeling no. About extension 2 pen. So I don't mind. I could go through anything just for this to work out. Because I am right now. I'm planning to host an event and I'm willing to do whatever it takes with the event to be a success.
Yes, that's what I would like to hear vele. Nanazwela, there is an event that is coming. Ezayo yama modelers bafethu. Wherever you are, now uyathanda ukumodela. Ucabangani? Ucabanga ukuthi sikuphi? Something like that, guys. Angiyazi ukuthi nani. You're getting what I'm saying. I need to know siswami ukuthi like how many people like obabhekile ukuthi okay they can come over bazomodela. How many people are you estimating ku-event kahle kahle?
Okay, so far I've been training 25 models.
Okay.
So far. It's little and Babatala for as well. And there are more abafunayo of which that from different extensions of which njengamanje I'm only focusing on Idrizik.
Okay.
About extension and man, I'm excluding them just for this event.
Okay.
Because I want to do something for Idrizik. I want to show them that Idrizik it's got something as well.
Oh,
Yes.
guys, it's going to get a lot of modeling and modelers and man, where are you? Sponsorship, man. If you're tailoring, man, get in touch, no sis, man. Ngitshela ukuthi man kunamarogonyana engifuna uku-advertise because modeling has to do with the fashion. Okanjani sis wami?
Definitely.
Yes, so Siswami, I would like to know about the event, man. What's going to be happening? Izobe kuphi inini kanjani? What's going on?
Okay, it's on the 11th of October. I'm not allowed to announce the venue yet because we're still in progress for it because it was giving us difficult times. But it's all about modeling, guys. It's all about modeling.
Okay. Get the date to be written down lapho ubhale phansi. Now it was nakusasa ukuthi ka 11 we are going somewhere. 11 November. October 11
Just a few weeks to come.
Few weeks to come, guys. Nani Nazwela, it's about to get a lot of but I can't say those words because kunabantwana. So I wanna know ukuthi are your teachings like if like you get to see them now ubheke nje.
What I could tell you, Mauma Babona, to those videos, you could see that we're getting somewhere because this is their first time. What I could tell you is that I started everything from scratch, and what I could tell you is just 1 month, I train, and you see what you can do. Yes, so which means yes, I'm a good teacher and I'm getting somewhere.
Okay, since she's a good teacher, asifuna ukuzwa ngayo because some teachers they can say my teachings are well known and what. Hello, Lavi. Ubani igama lakho Lavi? Mbali. Okay, Mbali. Mbali ngicela ukukubuza ne. Yini into oyithandayo ngemodeling?
Nama-dresses.
Oh, nama-dresses ngoba nigcoka kahle. Okay. So usisi Siphelele ukufundisa zona noma?
Ngifundisa zona.
Ukufundisa zona. Ungasibonisa? Okay. You can see unane courage umbali ukuthi hayi since I was the finalist vele ku modeling I've got this covered. Maka ngeke ngimshiye, Chomi ngikushiye. Ngikushiye nawe Chomi. So na Chomi ubani igama lakho Chomi? Fetulo. Phetulo. So Phetulo ku modeling yini into oyithandayo? Oh, my heels nama-dresses and yonke into. So usisi Siphelele uwenza zona na? Okay, nani guys inazwela ukuthi usisi Siphelele has got it covered bafethu la eDrizik 3 uye kuphela we-modeling akekho omunye. If you guys you like what she's doing, utholakala kuphi siswami like mabafuna ukukufanda bafuna ukukuthengela mhlambe dresses or ama heels or something like utholakala kuphi utholakala kanjani?
Okay, on Facebook we've got a running page of which it's Miss Royalty Mali Modeling Academy.
Miss Royalty. Oh, Miss
Mali
Royalty.
Mali Modeling Academy.
Okay.
And also on WhatsApp on 061 076 80 13. 061 076 80 13.
Ngiyazwela bafethu, if niyafuna mawungafuni tlugela ubani, like the God is always watching ubhekile ukuthi what are you doing to give back to the community. Yazi siphelele, I'm so grateful ukuthi like you're giving back to the community because intanga zakho they are not here right now, they are planning for ama-event sayophohloka and so forth. I would like to take this opportunity and give it back to you siswami, cause Lago Roaming Podcast asiyivali ingakavalwa nge-word of the day. So siswami, I would like you ukuthi unikeze the word of the day before I close off the show.
What I would like to say, it's very simple. Shut. Chase your dreams before it's too late.
Kai! Chase your dreams before it's too late, because when it's too late, you won't be able to chase your dreams.
Never.
That's the word of the day. Siyabonga sisi Siphelele. Can we do a little something here?
Purchase your tracks today.